Super duper welcome to the 13th episode of Business with Tanmay. And today's topic is how to use social media to get clients for your business. So let's get started with our topic. Social media is no longer solely about keeping in touch with your family members and friends. Every online coach and business owner that you know has an online presence, so it's no longer an option, it's essential for the growth of every online business. So the question is, how do you use social media as a tool to spread brand awareness and get more clients for your business? Here are 6 ways to attract clients from Instagram and Facebook through organic marketing strategies, completely for free. Number 1, share informative content to add value. Now we need to understand the psychology behind why our target audiences use social media before creating our posts. So these are some questions to think of. What is my audience looking for when they search for a particular hashtag or keyword? Why would my audience open up Instagram and Facebook, and what are they looking for and what are they hoping to achieve? So when you start looking at it from your audience's perspective, you'll be able to shift your approach. So the benefit of sharing informative content is that you'll naturally be seen as an expert in your niche, making it easier to be seen as a credible resource as compared to being perceived as a salesman. So as such, you'll spend much less effort trying to convince your audience to purchase from you when you share your offer. Number 2, use storytelling to connect with your audience. Most marketers are already aware that they need to post informational and educational content. So how do you stand out and differentiate your brand from the rest? One of the laws of business is that people do business with those whom they know, like and trust. So the simplest way to build connection with your ideal clients is to use storytelling as a part of your content marketing strategy. So storytelling makes your brand more memorable and it helps your audience perceive you as someone relatable. Number 3, share your progress to inspire your audience. People take action when they are inspired. Contrary to that, people won't move forward if they don't have the motivation to do so. So a great way to inspire your ideal clients to take action is by sharing your progress with them. When your prospects see your backstory and how far you have come, they will look up to you as the expert who can guide them. With that being said, where you used to be is where they are currently at, making it very relatable to them. Number 4, monitor social media engagement levels. So while content is a king, social media relies heavily on the algorithm and engagement levels. The more engagement a post receives, the more the algorithm will push your content to more users, giving you a visibility boost as the snowball effect takes place. The algorithm is in complete control when it comes to visibility and going viral, especially when more people like, comment and share a post. Once you have been uploading content regularly, you will start to notice the trend on how each post performs. Digital marketing is all about testing and marketing improvements through data-driven results. Constantly monitoring and tracking your analytics will give you better insights on what types of posts you should continue creating and which ones to tweak to improve your overall performance. Number 6, include calls to action to direct users to the next action step. Your content strategy needs to have purpose and intent. Every piece of content that you are creating needs to be contributing towards your goals and objectives on social media. Ensure that your call to action is clear in every post so that your ideal clients have a direction to take. They need to know what you are here for, how you can help them, and why they should take the next step by acting right away. Having clarity will make it easier for them to move down the sales funnel, as they don't need to guess what's the next step for them, while giving them a reason not to scroll past from your post. Thank you.